What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of modern man. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do some upper body workouts. So I put together a few exercises that I use during quarantine season. So hopefully you guys can try this workout for yourself. And also you guys can actually teach someone else this same workout. Most importantly, guys, make sure you subscribe down to the channel down below. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment in this workout what is your favorite workout regarding upper body. So let's get it. You ready for this? You gotta tell me you're ready. But today, we're doing upper body. You feel me?
They tell me I'm ready. They tell me they waiting. Whole city trying to play. I'm a sound anticipated.
One more thing, play your favorite music, because everything's gonna be on mute here. So play your favorite music and get involved in this workout. Let's go. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. Make sure you leave a comment in the section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe down to the channel for more content on Arccway. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Whole city trying to play. I'm a sound anticipated. Whole brand educated. We don't hear the shit you saying. How you niggas underrated? If you niggas ever